What if I told you there's a brand new AI tool that can literally help you earn money online, even if you have zero experience, and most people still don't know about it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Nano Banana AI is, how to use it step by step, and how beginners are already using it to make anywhere from $20 to $100 per day. Stay till the end, because I'll also show you how to actually find clients and get paid. Let's start with the basics. Nano Banana AI is a simple but powerful AI tool designed to help you create digital content quickly. Depending on how you use it, it can generate content, automate tasks, and help you produce things that people are already paying for online. Now, here's the important part. This is not just another AI tool. The real opportunity comes from how you use it to solve problems for others. Because online, money flows to problem solvers. So if you can use Nano Banana to create something valuable, you can turn that into income. What exactly is Nano Banana AI? Think of Nano Banana AI as your digital assistant that can help you create content faster than humans. For example, you can use it to generate written content, create ideas for videos or posts, help automate simple online tasks, speed up freelance work. And here's why this matters. Businesses, YouTubers, and online creators are constantly looking for people who can help them create content faster. And that's where you come in. How to use Nano Banana AI. Step 1. Sign up for Nano Banana AI. Go to the official website and create your account. Most AI tools have a free version or trial. Step 2. Choose what you want to create. You can start with simple tasks like writing scripts, generating captions, creating content ideas. Step 3. Enter a prompt. This is where the magic happens. You simply tell the AI what you want. For example, write a YouTube script about making money online with AI tools. And within seconds, you get results. Step 4. Edit and refine. Never use raw AI output. Always tweak it, improve it, and make it more human. Step 5. Deliver or use the content. Now you can either use it for your own content or sell it as a service. How to make money with Nano Banana AI. Now let's talk about the real reason you clicked this video: making money. There are 3 simple ways beginners are using Nano Banana AI right now. Number 1. Freelancing, easiest method. You can offer services like Option 1. YouTube script writing, Option 2. Social media content, Option 3. Blog posts. Platforms to use: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Here's the trick. Most clients don't care how you do the work. They just want results. So you use Nano Banana AI to do the heavy lifting. And you deliver fast. You can charge $10 to $30 per script for beginner, $50 plus once you improve. Do just 2 to 3 orders per day. That's easily $20 to $100 daily. Number 2. Content creation, long-term money. You can create your own YouTube channel, TikTok page, Instagram theme page. Use Nano Banana AI to generate scripts, get content ideas, stay consistent. Once you grow your audience, you can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. This takes time, but the income can scale much higher. Number 3. Selling digital products. You can use Nano Banana AI to create ebooks, guides, templates, then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, even a simple $5 product. If you sell 20 per day, that's $100 daily. Let's keep it real. If you're a beginner, work 2 to 3 hours daily. Focus on freelancing. You can realistically earn $10 to $30 per day in the beginning. After 2 to 3 weeks of consistency, you can scale to $50 to $100 per day. Why? Because you get faster. You get repeat clients. You improve your quality. This is where most people fail. So pay attention. Step 1. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Search for YouTube script writing. Step 2. Look at top sellers. See what they're offering. Step 3. Create your own gig. Use simple language like, I will write engaging YouTube scripts for your channel. Step 4. Use Nano Banana AI to deliver faster. Bonus tip. Offer faster delivery than competitors. Speed equals advantage. Important tips: don't skip. Never copy-paste AI content blindly. Always edit and improve. Focus on value, not just speed. Stay consistent daily. Because tools don't make money. People who use them properly do. And by the way, most people watching this video won't take action. But the ones who do are the ones who start earning. So the real question is, which one are you? Let's be honest. This is not a get-rich-overnight method, but it is beginner-friendly, low investment, scalable, and most importantly, you can start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I post simple AI tools that can actually help you make money online. And comment AI below if you want more step-by-step videos like this. Now go ahead, take action, and I'll see you in the next one.